we are facing the issue is the cleanliness of the toilet.
There are definitely a lot of problems which are unique to women.
While we traveling through the bus, the main issue is bathroom issue.
During our travel, we don't get the hygienic like hygiene toilet rooms, washrooms.
It's a long duration, no? So I found it very difficult in the toiletries. It's not clean.
Not hygienic, especially during long journeys and all.
ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋದಾಗ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ತುಂಬ ನೀಟಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
We have always worked towards making travel safe and hygienic for women. This initiative, we thought, was the best way to make travel more comfortable for women when it came to nature's call. So this Women's Day, we are distributing hygiene kits to all the women passengers, which contains pee buddy and toilet seat covers. These products are 100% safe, easy to use and very easy to dispose of.
It's really nice that redBus is taking some initiative. There's no really place where we can say our problems.
About redbus.com, they have started a new initiative about this kit they're providing on the Women's Day. I found it's very good.
My road trip will be much more enjoyable now with my personal hygiene kit. Thank you, redBus.
Good initiative by redBus.
असते बसमध्ये ट्रॅव्हलिंगच्या वेळेस वगैरे तर हायजीन इश्यूज सॉल्व्ह होते याच्याने.
redBus, they are providing many care for us. Thanks to redBus.
redBus ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ಕಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು redBus.
ये ट्रिप हमारे लिए बहुत ही आरामदायक होने वाला है. Thank you, redBus.